That's my mac and cheese. Thank you. That was very fast for mac and cheese. My God. Probably pre-made. It's a mouthful of goo. That's gross.
Uh-oh.
That doesn't even taste like it's been cooked here.
We don't make the mac and cheese here.
Really? No, it tastes like that. Is that a big hit?
No, it's what the kids eat it.
Really? Yeah, that's dreadful. Poor kids. Damn. You think a menu with classic American, you'd at least make your mac and cheese, right?
Yeah.
Not good.
Like, I'm really sorry. I don't really know what to say because I'm not the one making the food. I'm just serving it.
What'd he say?
Said it was gross.
I just hope he doesn't run to the bathroom.
Oh,
Fried calamari over Caesar salad.
let's taste. Not good. Calamari is really soft and sort of chewy. Just that.
Oh.